Have you ever paused and wondered how a mirror's made? Mirrors are more than just reflective surfaces. They carry a rich history, from ancient obsidian mirrors of the Mayans to the polished bronze of the Romans. Today, they're integral to our daily routines and crucial in scientific equipment, vehicles, and architecture. Yet the process of their creation remains a mystery to many. So how do we transform a simple piece of glass into a mirror? In the next few minutes, we will demystify the process of mirror making. The process of mirror making begins with a simple yet crucial component: a sheet of glass. This isn't your run-of-the-mill window pane. Oh no. This is a specially selected sheet of glass chosen for its quality and clarity. The glass is then subjected to an intensive cleaning process. It's scrubbed and polished, buffed and shined, until every last speck of dust, every microscopic imperfection is banished from its surface. Why all this fuss, you ask? Well, the secret lies in the smoothness. A mirror, you see, is only as good as its glass. Any imperfection, no matter how tiny, can distort the reflection, turning your lovely face into a funhouse mirror monstrosity. So, the glass cleaning is a vital step. It ensures the mirror will reflect a true and accurate image, and it prepares the glass for the next stage of the process. Once the glass is pristine, it's time for the magic to happen. The magic of mirror making lies in a process known as silvering. Now you might be wondering, what's silvering? Well, just as the name suggests, it's all about applying a thin layer of shiny silver or aluminum to the glass. It's this silver layer that gives the mirror its reflective magic. So how do we go about it? First off, we need to prepare our glass. It's cleaned meticulously to make sure there's not a speck of dust that could interfere with the reflection. Then comes the cool part. We take our clean glass and introduce it to a solution of silver nitrate and a reducing agent. In a fascinating chemical reaction, the silver ions in the solution are reduced to metallic silver, and voila! They adhere to the glass, forming a thin, shiny layer. But it's not just about slapping on some silver. The process needs to be controlled to perfection. The temperature, the rate of reaction, the concentration of the solution, everything has to be just right. Too fast and the silver may not stick properly. Too slow and it could end up patchy. And just like that, we've transformed a piece of ordinary glass into something extraordinary. But don't be fooled, it's not quite a mirror just yet. After the silvering process, our glass is starting to resemble a mirror, but we're not done yet. To protect the delicate layer of metal, a protective coating is applied. This isn't just for the fun of it, but serves an essential role in the life of a mirror. The coating is a mirror's bulletproof vest, a superhero's shield, if you will. Imagine your mirror without this protective layer. It would be like a knight without his armor, vulnerable to scratches and tarnish. The silver layer, a mirror's heart and soul, is quite delicate. It needs this protective cloak to keep it from harm's way. The protective coating is a bit like a secret agent operating behind the scenes, but playing a crucial role. It safeguards the reflective layer, ensuring that your mirror retains its reflective charm for years to come. It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it. With the protective layer in place, we're almost there, but there's one final step to complete. The final step in the mirror-making process is adding a layer of paint. Now you might be wondering why paint? Well, it's not just for aesthetics, although it does lend a sleek finish to the mirror. The primary function of this paint layer is protection. You see, the silvering layer, while reflective, is also quite sensitive. It can easily tarnish or scratch, which would distort the mirror's image. The paint acts as a shield, safeguarding the silvering layer from environmental factors and wear and tear. It's like the knight in shining armor for the delicate silver underneath. But it's not just any paint that's used, it's a specially formulated paint designed to adhere to the silvering layer without interfering with its reflective properties. And just like that, a mirror is born. Fascinating, isn't it?